y'all, it's your girl Breathe the Beautician, and I'm back again with another video. So today Shay is gonna be getting the passion braids. So they're basically knotless box braids, and then you use the curly hair and you kind of fray the ends like you would do a butterfly braid. So she requested, and I honestly do think this method is good. We're pressing her roots, just going through and giving her like a light press so that her hair does not revert as fast as it would at its natural state. And guys, I'm using beeswax on her parts because I am using heat. So you don't want to use edge control and press the roots or anything wet. So I did do the first row off camera because I kind of wanted to see how much hair I will be using, and I just wanted to get a feel because this is my first time doing this style. So I'm using my favorite. I'm using a rat tail comb to make her parts as crisp and as neat as I can. And now I'm actually using the edge control for the part now because I am going to use it for her braids. And these braids are bigger, so you guys do want to make sure that your parts are everything. Like, you want to make sure your parts are straight. You want to make sure that they are uniform. You want to make sure that they are even. You just want to really give 110% to the parting for this style. So now that I've parted off this row, which I split into 4 sections, I'm going to begin applying edge control, shine and gem, whatever product you choose. And I'm going to begin to mold this one braid. Once I have it smooth, I'm going to start braiding, and I'm going to start feeding in pieces of the pre-stretched braiding hair. So I'm doing 4 pieces, and now I'm starting to do the curly hair. And as you see, I'm pulling the curly hair, I'm stretching it so that it can hang down a little bit lower. And then I'm gonna proceed to add pieces until I have it the size I want it, and then I'm gonna braid that braid down. So now I'm just going in with the rat tail comb and just smoothing it just to get it uniform. And now I'm going to begin to pull the braid apart. And you guys can do this part as neat or as messy as you want to. I personally don't do them too messy because as they get older, it'll give it that look anyways. I use a little bit of hair glue, and I take a tiny piece and I wrap it around the area I put the glue to tie the ends. You guys can use hair glue, obviously, if the hair is black, but if you do someone with color like red or blonde, I would prefer if you guys used nail glue or super glue. And then I'm just making sure I clip any of the extra pre-stretch hair that was left at the bottom of the braid. So the same thing goes for the next braid. I'm gonna put product all around that box braid and comb it through, smooth it down, and then I'm gonna begin braiding and feeding in the pre-stretched hair. So the rest, you're pretty much just repeating the steps for every braid. The rest is going to be sped up, and my phone actually stopped recording for the front. So all I have is the back for you guys. I'm so sorry. So after I finish the back, of course, I do the front, and this is how it turned out, guys. Let me know what you think. This was my first time doing this style, and I'll tag who I got it from. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to follow me on Instagram. And please, please, please comment, like, and subscribe.